Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Shall we start our social science class? Take your social science book, all of you. History second unit, open history second unit. From history second unit, ancient civilization, Mesopotamian civilization and Egyptian civilization we have completed, is or no? Today we are going to start a new civilization, Chinese civilization and Indus civilization we are going to see today. Got it? So you have to open your book, page number 20. Okay, in 20, the Mesopotamian civilization, what we have seen, the geography of the Mesopotamian and the Sumerians, Babylonians, these all we have seen. Now we are going to see the Chinese civilization and at the same time the Indus civilization. Okay, the Chinese civilization. China has two major rivers. One is known as Huanghe, Yellow River, and the other is called Yangtze River. Okay, one is Huanghe and another one is Yangtze River. The Yellow River is known as the sorrow of China since it changed its course and caused frequent floods. சைனாவில் வந்து ரெண்டு மேஜர் ரிவர் இருந்துச்சு, முக்கியமான ரிவர். ஒன்று வந்து ஹாங்கி விச் இஸ் கால்டு த எல்லோ ரிவர் அண்ட் அனதர் ஒன் இஸ் யாங்ஸி ரிவர். ஓகே, இந்த எல்லோ ரிவர் வந்து சைனாவோட சாரோ ஆஃப் சைனா. சாரோனா கவலை, ஏசான. பிகாஸ் ஃப்ரம் தட் இட் காஸ்டு மெனி, அடிக்கடி என்ன செய்யும், ஃப்ளட்ஸ் வரும், வெள்ளப்பெருக்கு வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். Got it? பொலைட்டி அண்ட் எம்பரர்ஸ், அங்கே எப்படி வந்து அரசாங்கம் இருந்துச்சு, பேரரசர்கள் யாரெல்லாம் இருந்தா அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி. ஓகே, ஷிஹாங்டி, ஓகே, ஷின் ஷி காங் விச் மீன்ஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எம்பரர். கின் ஷி காங் which means the first emperor founded the Qin. Qin means Qin dynasty. The emperor had the title Son of Heaven. He is considered to be the first emperor of China. Okay, so who is the first emperor of China? Shi Huangdi. Okay, Qin Shi Huang. Okay, in China the names will be like this, is or no? So the emperor had the first emperor வந்து ஒரு டைட்டில் வாங்கினார், அது பேர் தான் சன் ஆஃப் ஹெவன். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எம்பரர் இன் சைனா. ஓகே, and the period between 221 to 206 BC is known as the imperial era in China. Okay, and the Shihangdi destroyed the world fortifications or different states and constructed the Great Wall of China to protect the empire from the invading nomadic people. ஓகே, அவங்க ஷிஹாங்டி அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து அவர் வந்து ஒரு கிரேட் வாலை வந்து என்ன செஞ்சார், உருவாக்குனார். அது மற்றவங்க யாரும் அந்த சைனாவில் மேலே போர் எடுக்க முடியாதபடி அதை வந்து உருவாக்குனார். ஓகே, and he also built roads to integrate the empire. Many roads என்ன செஞ்சார், கட்டினார். ஓகே, an empire, you see that this is that during this period a written history of this empire was made available in China. இவரை பற்றி ஒரு written history இருக்கு. ஓகே, the greatest of the Han emperors Wu Ti, the great 141 to 87 BC expanded the empire and built many public amenities including irrigation tanks. இவர் வந்து நிறையா அவருடைய எம்பையரை வந்து விரிவாக்கினார், பேரரசு விரிவாக்கினார். நிறைய இரிகேஷன் டேங்க்ஸ் வந்து பில்ட் பண்ணார். நிறைய பப்ளிக் அமெனிட்டிஸ் ஆல்சோ த வேர் பில்ட் பை த ஹேன். ஓகே, ஊட்டி. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் த ஊட்டி இன் சைனா. தென் he sent Zhang Qian as emissary to the west and thereby paved the way for the opening of Silk Road to encourage trade activities. Because of the Silk Road and the resultant trade connections, China benefited immensely during the rule of Emperor Shang. Chinese silk was much sought after the Romans during the time of the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius Some of the Chinese silk might have reached Rome through the ports of Tamil Nadu. சைனாலேருந்து நிறைய சில்க் என்ன எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணாங்க ரோமுக்கு. ஓகே, அவங்க வந்து எந்த வழியை யூஸ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா தமிழ்நாடு வழியாகவும் என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே, the terracotta army. The terracotta army refers to the large collection of terracotta warrior images found in China. நிறைய இமேஜ், நிறைய சிலைகள்லாம், நிறைய வாரியர்ஸ், நிறையா ஆர்மியோட சோல்ஜர்ஸ் இருக்க மாதிரி ஒரு ஏரியா. This is the collection of terracotta warrior images found in China. It is there in China. ஓகே, இமேஜஸ் அதே போல் நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இமேஜஸ், சிலைகள். Philosophy and literature. Chinese poets and philosophers such as Lao Tzu, Confucius, Mencius, Motti, and Tao Chian contributed to the development of Chinese civilization. Sun Tzu, a military strategist, wrote the work called Art of War. The Spring and Autumn Annals is the official chronicle of the state at the time. Okay, the Spring and Autumn Annals is the official chronicle of the state at the time. The Yellow Emperor's Canon of Medicine is considered China's earliest written book on medicine. It was codified during the time of Han Dynasty. நிறைய பேர் அந்த டைமில் வந்து நிறையா பொயட்ஸு, ஃபிலாசபர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் சைனீஸில் இருந்தாங்க. யாரெல்லாம்? கன்ஃபியூசியஸ், லாசி, மென்சியஸ், டாச்சியன், like that many poets and many philosophers were there in the China. Okay, and the Confucius was the famous among the Chinese philosophers. இருக்கிறதுலே கன்ஃபியூசியஸ் தான் ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஆனவர். He was a political reformer. His name means king, hunk, the master. அவரோட நேமோட மீனிங் வந்து மாஸ்டர். He insisted on cultivation on one personal life. He said, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னா, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated, and once family life is regulated, national life is regulated. This was said by Confucius. Okay, next one is the Mencius. He also was another well-known Chinese philosopher. Okay, he traveled throughout China and offered his counsel to the rulers. நிறைய அவங்க அதை சைனாவை ஆண்டவங்களுக்குலாம் அவர் நிறைய என்ன செய்ய கொடுத்தாரு, கவுன்சில் கொடுத்தாரு. ஓகே, Chinese script. Chinese developed a writing system from an early time. Initially it was a pictographic system and later it was converted into a symbol form. You see that this is the script of Chinese, and they have written in the ancient time. They have used the bone and they were written on the bone also. Okay, so about the Chinese civilization very less it is there. Okay, about the Han Empire and philosophy and literature. And in philosopher, the Confucian Mencius, they were the famous. Okay, and the Chinese script, it was written in the bone also and in stones also. Okay, this was one of the symbols, symbol form. Okay, Chinese civilization writing system was improved in the Chinese civilization time. Okay, and the invention of paper, opening of the Silk Road, invention of gunpowder. Okay, so these all are the contribution of the Chinese civilization. What are they? Writing system was improved, invention of paper, opening of the Silk Road, invention of gunpowder. Okay, this is about the Chinese civilization. Next we are going to see the Indus civilization. Indus Valley civilization. It is known as the Harappan civilization. The Indus civilization என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா Harappan civilization, because in that time Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, they were the greatest cities. Okay, were there in the Indus. In that the many planned towns were there in the Mohenjo-daro and Harappans. Okay, planned towns. You see there is the great path. இதில் வந்து குளிக்கிறதுக்காக நிறைய அறைகள், அந்த ட்ரெஸ் மாற்றுறதுக்கு, அவங்க பெண்களுக்கு தனியாக, ஆண்களுக்கு தனியாக, குழந்தைகளுக்கு தனியாக, அப்படி நிறைய ரூம்ஸ், அப்படி நிறைய என்ன செஞ்சுருந்தாங்க, கட்டியிருந்தாங்க. இதுதான் கிரேட் பாத். இதில் வந்து ஒரு வழியாக வந்து நல்ல தண்ணி வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். இன்னொரு வழியாக வந்து அந்த அந்த டஸ்ட் வாட்டர் எல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சிட்ருக்கும், ரிமூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். லைக் தட் த சிஸ்டமேட்டிக் they were followed. Okay, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, these two were the very well planned cities, okay, in the Indus civilization time, and the well planned streets and lawns and drainages can be observed in the Harappan towns. So the Harappans used baked and unbaked bricks and stones for construction. சுட்ட செங்கல், சுடாத செங்கல், அது எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, அவங்களுடைய கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷனுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. A civic authority perhaps controlled the planning of the towns. A few of the houses had more than one floor. The tank called the Great Path at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure. இந்த Great Path எங்கே இருந்துச்சுன்னா மொஹஞ்சதாரோவில் இருந்து. Got it? Philosophy and literature. Chinese poets and philosophers such as Lao Tzu, Confucius, Mencius, Motti, and Tao Qian contributed to the development of Chinese civilization. Sun Tzu, a military strategist, wrote the work called Art of War. The Spring and Autumn Annals is the official chronicle of the state at the time. Okay, the Spring and Autumn Annals is the official chronicle of the state at the time. The Yellow Emperor's Canon of Medicine is considered China's earliest written book on medicine. It was codified during the time of Han Dynasty. நிறைய பேர் அந்த டைமில் வந்து நிறையா பொயட்ஸு, ஃபிலாசபர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் சைனீஸில் இருந்தாங்க. யாரெல்லாம், கன்ஃபியூசியஸ், லாசி, மென்சியஸ், டாச்சியன், லைக் தட் மெனி பொயட்ஸ் அண்ட் many philosophers were there in the China. Okay, and the Confucius was the famous among the Chinese philosophers. இருக்கிறதுலே கன்ஃபியூசியஸ் தான் ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஆனவர். He was a political reformer. His name means king, hunk, the master. அவரோட நேமோட மீனிங் வந்து மாஸ்டர். He insisted on cultivation on one personal life. He said, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னா, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated, and once family life is regulated, national life is regulated. This was said by Confucius. Okay, next one is the Mencius. He also was another well-known Chinese philosopher. Okay, he traveled throughout China and offered his counsel to the rulers. நிறைய அவங்க அதை சைனாவை ஆண்டவங்களுக்குலாம் அவர் நிறைய என்ன செய்ய கொடுத்தாரு, கவுன்சில் கொடுத்தாரு. ஓகே, metal tools and weapons. The Harappans, they used chert blades, copper object, and bone and ivory tools. Copper, bone and ivory tools also the Harappans they have used, and they did not possess knowledge about iron பற்றி knowledge வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த டைமில் இல்லை. The tools and equipment such as points, chisels, needles, fish hooks, razors, weighing pans, mirror and antimony rods, they were made of bronze. Only they have used bronze. Okay, ivory, bone also they have used, but they don't know, they did not get any knowledge about the iron. The chisels made out of rori chert were used by the Harappans. Their weapons included arrows, spears, chisel bladed tool and axe. The bronze image of dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro is suggestive of the use of lost wax process. So the dancing girl image got from the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, and Rogri chert refers to the chert raw material collected from the Rogri in Pakistan. It was used by the Harappans for making blades. The Harappans used both stone and bronze tools. அவங்க எலும்புகளால் ஆன கருவிகளையும் அந்த பிரான்ஸ் ஆன கருவிகளையும் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க Harappans. Okay, weights and measures. The Harappans developed a system of proper weights and measures. Since they engaged in commercial transaction, they needed standard measures. The cubical chert weights are found at the Harappan sites. The copper plates for weighing balances have also been found. The weight point to their knowledge of binary system. The ratio of weighing is doubled as 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 8 is to 16 is to 32. Like that they have used. Okay, so the picture is given here in the screen. Also you can see the book also you see the weights of Harappan civilization is given. At the same time copper balance from Mohenjo-daro also given. And then trade and exchange. The Harappans had close trade links with Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq and Iran. The cuneiform inscription, cuneiform writing already we have studied in the previous classes. That is one of the writing method. Mentioned the trade contacts between Mesopotamia and Harappan. Harappanuku Mesopotamia இடையில வந்து நிறைய trade connect இருந்துச்சு. Okay, the mention of Meluha is in the cuneiform inscription is considered to refer to the Indus region. So the trade and exchange were happening between the Harappans and the Mesopotamians. Seals, sealings and scripts. Okay, seals, sealings and scripts. The seal from various media such as steatite, copper, terracotta and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. They were probably used in the trade activities. Seal நிறைய டைப்பான சீல்ஸ்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. அது எல்லாமே ட்ரேட் ஆக்டிவிட்டிக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. The Harappan script is not yet disappeared. About 5,000 texts have been documented from the Harappan sites. Harappan பற்றி 5,000 texts இருக்கு. Okay, some scholars are of the view that the script is in Dravidian language. So in Harappan some scripts were written in the Dravidian language also. Okay, so you see that this is many seals are given, many types of seals and scripts are given there. In the book you can see the terracotta toys. Terracotta toys also there in the book, page number 28. Next, arts and amusement. The terracotta figurines, paintings on the pottery and the bronze images from the Harappan site suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. அவங்க நிறைய பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க, பாட்ஸில் நிறைய பெயிண்டிங், அது மூலமாக அவங்களோட ஆர்டிஸ்டிக் ஸ்கில்ஸ் வந்து எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Priest king made of steatite and dancing girl made of bronze. இந்த டான்ஸிங் கேர்ள், டான்ஸ் ஆடுற மாதிரி ஒரு கேர்ள் வந்து அந்த ப்ரான்ஸோடு உருவாக்கப்பட்டது. as well as stone sculptures from Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Dholavira are the important objects of art. Toy carts, rattles, wheels, tops, marbles and hopscotches made in terracotta suggest the amusement of the Harappan people. So if you see the book you can see that the dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro, it was made by the bronze. Like that many things the record is there about the Harappans and Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so in that Indus civilization, the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, the two cities are the major cities. Okay, from that we discovered many things. Okay, and arts and amusement we have seen, yes or no? Then we have to see the religion. What are the religion they have followed in the Indus civilization time in Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and other cities also. Okay, religion. The Indus people had a close relationship with nature. நேச்சரை தான் அவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப விரும்பினாங்க. They worshipped peepal trees. Some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. So they worshipped the peepal trees. மரங்களை என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, peepal trees-ஐ தான் அவங்க வந்து வணங்கினாங்க. Terracotta the figures resemble the mother goddess. Fire altars have been identified the Kalibangan. The Indus people buried the dead. அவங்க வந்து இறந்தவங்களை என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, தோண்டி புதைச்சாங்க. Burials were done elaborately and evidence for cremation has also been found. So many burials are there to know about the Indus civilization. ஓகே நிறைய புதைந்த பொருட்களை கண்டுபிடிச்சி தான் அது மூலமாக தான் முன்னாடி ஏன்ஷியன்ட் பீப்புள் எப்படி இருந்தாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து நம்ம வந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட முடியும் எசானோ. ஸோ இன் இண்டஸ் சிவிலைசேஷன் டைம் த பீப்புள் தே ஃபாலோடு தே வர்ஷிப்டு the trees, people trees, got it, and original inhabitants and their culture. The authors of the Harappan civilization are not known since the script has not been disappeared. One school of thought argues that they spoke the Dravidian language. The archaeological evidence shows movement of the Harappans to the east and south after the decline of the Indus civilization. It is probable that some of the Harappan people moved into different parts of India. So from the Harappan people, from Harappa to they have moved into many different parts of India. Okay, so the only the decipherment of the script can give a definite answer. So the Harappan people, they have moved from the east to south after the decline of the Indus civilization. Indus civilization மறைந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து ஒரு இடத்துக்கு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, மூவ் பண்ணாங்க. Okay, Indus civilization had more than one group of people. Several groups including farmers, pastoralists and hunter-gatherers lived in the Indus region. The Indus region had villages and large towns. The population was mixed. நிறைய பாப்புலேஷன் இருந்தாங்க, அவங்க எல்லாருமே மிக்ஸ் ஆகிருந்தாங்க. ஃபார்மர்ஸ், பாஸ்ட்ரலிட்ஸ், ஹண்டர் கேதரர் எல்லாருமே இந்த இண்டஸ் ரீஜியனில் வந்து மிக்ஸ் ஆகிருந்தாங்க. த பீரியட் ஆஃப் த சிவிலைசேஷன் ஹேஸ் பின் டிவைடட் இன்டு ஏர்லி ஹரப்பான் ஸ்டார்டிங் அரவுண்ட் அண்ட் continuing to and mature Harappan or the last base civilization from 2600 to 1900 BC. The later Harappan existed up to 1700. அது வந்து அந்த சிவிலைசேஷன் வந்து 3 டைப்ஸாக பிரித்தாங்க. ஏர்லி ஹரப்பான், மெச்சூர் ஹரப்பான் and the later Harappan. Got it? So these all are about the Harappan civilization. Okay, the Indus civilization, it was there in India. Okay, and some people they have lived from place to one place to another place, they have migrated. Okay, in the last we are going to see the decline of Indus culture. The Indus civilization and its urban features started declining from about 1900 BC. இண்டஸ் சிவிலைசேஷன் வந்து எதுலேருந்து வந்து மறுக்கப்பட்டது, எதுலேருந்து தோல்வி அடைஞ்சிச்சு, எதுலேருந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணலை அப்படின்னா சேஞ்சஸ் இன் கிளைமேட். 1900 பிசிலேருந்து அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணல. சேஞ்சஸ் இன் கிளைமேட், டிக்ளைன் ஆஃப் த ட்ரேட் வித் மெசபடோமியா அண்ட் ட்ரையிங் அப் ஆர் ஃப்ளட்டிங் ஆஃப் த ரிவர் இண்டஸ், foreign invasion were some of the reasons attributed to the collapse of this civilization and for the migration of people in the southern and eastern direction. So these all are the reasons for the decline of Indus culture. Okay, அவங்க வந்து மெசபடோமியாவோட இருந்த ட்ரேட் வந்து கனெக்ட் ஆகலை. அவங்க நிறைய ஃப்ளட், இண்டஸ் ரிவர்லேருந்து நிறைய ஃப்ளட் வந்ததுனால, ஃபாரின் இன்வர்ஷன் வந்ததுனால, இன்வர்ஷன்னா படையெடுப்பு எதானோ, and collapse of this cultivation. So these all are the reason for the decline of Indus culture. Okay, so it did not completely disappear, it continued as rural culture. Okay, so these all are the decline of Indus culture. Okay, from this lesson you have learned about the Egyptian civilization, at the same time you have learned the Chinese civilization, Indus civilization and the Mesopotamian civilization. Yes or no? What are the agriculture types they have used and they have followed, and what are the crops they have cultivated, and their art and their emperors, what are the emperors they have ruled their cities, like that many things we have seen. Yes or no? So this lesson is one of the important lesson. At the same time you have learned many things from this lesson. Yes or no? So what are the lessons have completed, you have to study, prepare very well. Okay, exam will be there. Okay, during the classes, online classes, online test will be there, and sometimes you may call to the school and exams will be there. Okay, school will open at any time, so prepare for the exam and study. Okay, and this continuation only will come to the 10th standard, so you have to learn everything, how to study everything, so that the next year it will be very easy. Got it? Don't think that online classes only, so no need to study. Okay, study, you have to write at the same time, spend the time for study also, study every day. Got it? Write your classwork very neatly. Got it? And your class or today classwork is third question. Hammurabi Code is an important legal document. Explain. Hammurabi Code is an important legal document that specifies the laws related to various crimes. It has 282 provisions specifying cases related to family rights, trade, slavery, taxes, and wages. It is carved on a stone which portrays Hammurabi as receiving the code from the sun god Shamash, which was a compilation of old laws based on retributive principles, and the eye for eye and tooth for tooth form of justice is issued in the Hammurabi. Okay, this is the answer for the third questions. Already I have told, if you have to study everything, yes or no? So buy guide from the shop, down guide you can buy and study. Got it? Write fast. Have you written all of you? And today our homework is fill in the blanks. Okay, find the answers from the book. Read the book every day. What are the chapters have completed, you have to read. Got it? Today our homework is fill in the blanks. Find the answers from the book. First one is, Das is known as the sorrow of China. The same lesson. Okay, history, second unit only. Okay, Shi Huangdi had the title Das. Das philosopher traveled through China and offered his counsel to the rulers. Fourth one, the Indus Valley civilization, also known as the Das civilization. Fifth one is, paper was invented by the dash. The Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization is situated in dash. The Harappans were announced to dash animal and dash. The city of Dash nature became the city of Babylon. One of the most famous ziggurats is in the city of Dash. China has two major rivers, Dash and Dash. Write fast, all of you. Find the answer, find the correct answer and send me, okay? We will see tomorrow.